Fitting a Toyota Forklift seat cover today, guys. Generic part number, which is the same on all the forklifts for Toyota. All right, we open these up. There are two pieces. Backrest and a bottom. I shall slip over this side. Not all are easy like the skid steer to fit. Sometimes it puts a little bit of effort in. This one's got all access all the way around the seat. Work on a similar process. So we tuck the front forward through the middle. There is a gap on these ones. Get my little fingers to tuck them through. Get it started, pull the backrest lever, and you've got access. Use the seat's adjustments to make it easy for you. Slide it forward, slide it back. This one, we can actually get it in forward. Adjust it. Access to the pocket, if you have pockets, which they should do. Here we have an allowance for the adjuster on the seat. Same process, tuck over, open up the seat. Start poking the middle through. Again, use the seat adjustments and you can get through, tuck it through the back there that way. These eyelets are the tie-off point. We supply adjustable cord. It's got a knot in it, so when you pull the other side, it doesn't slip inside. So we tie off one side. There's no art to it, just a handful of knots. Just to keep it on there from coming undone. Alright, so we're adjusting the seat up at the front, make it look like it's supposed to be there. Undo the other knot. Here is the other side. This is the critical bit. Here is the other side. It comes around here. So we give you elastic shock cord. This is what secures the seat on the front. Don't just tie it on there. Watch this for dramatics. That's how far we can pull it out. What that does, at the front, secures it nice and tight. So it doesn't come out. And then we just go back to your non-fancy. If you're a scout, you can do your knots, but I just trip it up like that and it's done. Get your trusty knife or your scissors and cut him off. And that is how you fit an adjustable shock cord. Really stretch it on. Well, the better on the start, the better they stay on altogether. Nice, easy one.